This is a quick little video showing some of the current status of a D3 visualization I'm working on. I've been playing with the responsive design aspects, which have been giving me a little bit of fits, but that's my own fault. And so I think I've got some of that worked out, at least on the desktop. Um, so this is the visualization. It has to do with the log normal distribution. You can do stuff, move it around, whatever. Um, but what I want to show here is how when you scale it, beep, um, I'm hooking into the resize or to the on window on size resize event, and it's supposed to work a certain way, but it took me a while to actually get it to work. There's a couple of things going on here. First of all, there's the D3 scaling, which usually works pretty well, but also I've got these divs which are not in kind of the SVG screen space. I'm mapping them back and forth. So it gets a little hairy, not hard, and so it boom works. Make it bigger. Everything changes nicely. Come on, see, sometimes if you go too fast, I've noticed it won't quite work. There's some problems on mobile. I've noticed too on an Nexus 7 and iPad, kind of the same thing that I'm looking at because I think the events don't quite fire right. I tried the Paul Irish has a debounce snippet of JavaScript from somebody else that I tried, and it even had worse problems. I don't know if that was my fault or not. And again, it was code that's 4 years old, so maybe there's some other tweaks that need to happen. So, but overall, I thought that was pretty cool. Boom, boom. So that's it. I'll keep playing with it. Mainly on mobile, you have to do a couple of things. I don't have it set up here, but like when you get really small, dealing with the best way to show these, if at all. I'm debating whether you even have this where you can enter values because it's just a pain to kind of mess with. You can move your mouse up and down to change the values, which is a little more intuitive. But if for some reason somebody wants to put in a particular value, so you want to make the mean 18.2, you know, that works. But sometimes it shows too much precision or something. It's just a hassle and a distraction. Let's see if this makes it fit a little better. So again, this equation over here is coming from MathJax, which is really cool and can show these beautiful mathematical formulas. It's based on tech and it's really nice, but it's big, and I'm still kind of working on the minimal install of stuff that it needs to generate this. I made a Chrome app that used it as well, but that required pulling down just the stuff it needed. So again, I'm just kind of randomly playing with things here. I'm not doing anything in particular. So there you go. Responsive design. Boom. On the way. Works pretty nice. Oh, and how I'm doing it, again, this is anybody that's done this before, got it to work, knows. You basically just hook in the window that I want resized, pointed at some function. In my case, I get some reset some div stuff, and then here, this is the guy that goes and does the update of the chart and the data or whatever else. But this is the overarching kind of approach that you do. And that's it. And I'll post some other stuff maybe with some mobile for the mobile app review of it because some different things might be going on. So that's it.